Hi, welcome back to Get By Make It with Alice. I am an online educator, and today we will be talking about how to upload documents on ChatGPT. Now, this is important to note. Not all documents can be uploaded on ChatGPT. There's certain formats that you can use and you can't use. So for example, you could upload Word documents and Excel spreadsheets, but you cannot upload PDF files. So let's get started. I'll show that to you. So ChatGPT, please summarize this document in 2 paragraphs. Now you can upload any Google Drive document. All right, we're going to go to a random folder that I have. This is a long document. So we're going to go ahead and download this document to our computer. So we will upload from computer, download. These are the 200 questions. And let's see. We've uploaded this Word document. It takes a little bit while to upload. And we hit that little arrow button. This doc is a reflective self-assessment composed of series of questions spanning various aspects of life. So it goes ahead and summarizes this document. Cool. Now let's see if we can upload a PDF file. All right, we're going to try to upload a PDF file on ChatGPT. Let's see how we go. Do I have a PDF file to upload? ChatGPT does summarize PDF files. We weren't able to do that before. That's great. Okay, and now we're going to upload a Excel spreadsheet. Let's see if we can do that. Maybe we'll do this one. So I'm going to go and upload an Excel spreadsheet. Download. Please analyze this Excel spreadsheet. So ChatGPT can now analyze Word document, Excel spreadsheets, and PDFs. This is amazing. We were not able to do that a few weeks ago. All right, it's pretty awesome that with ChatGPT, we can upload all kinds of documents, including PDFs, Google Sheets, as well as Word documents. So we have a lot more capabilities now. Awesome.